Welcome to my dorm room. Hey Baes, it's Rissa May, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my college dorm. Here's my dorm at Snow College. Did you guys hear that Queen Elizabeth died today? Literally my whole life changed. I was like, excuse me? But anyways, that's unimportant. Okay, so this is the first half. I'm gonna try and not show as much of my roommate's side as possible, just because I want to be respectful of her space. But this is our door. This mirror is mine. To be honest, I have not used it that much, so I think it's kind of useless, especially when we have two really big mirrors in the bathroom area, which I will show you. But yeah, there you go. So unless you use full-length mirrors a lot, I don't recommend getting one of these. I honestly think my roommate uses it more than me. This is something that I do 100% recommend, especially in this dorm, because there's not enough room for everybody to hang their bath towels. So I got a command strip that I could hang my bath towel on, and sometimes I even put towels on here just to let them dry. So this is where I hang my bath towel. Okay, so this is my closet. It's very, very small, as you can see. So I keep my dresses shrunk, like squeezed to the side. So these are all of my dresses right here. These are all of my shirts and all of my jackets and stuff. One thing I do recommend when you're picking out clothes to bring more short sleeves for the first half of the semester, because it is boiling hot here and I don't have a lot of options to work with, and I have a bunch of sweaters chilling that I really want to wear but can't because I would literally die. Okay, in this basket I just have all of my bathroom refills. I have this alarm clock. Another tip, when you are looking for an alarm clock to buy for school, if you're one of those people that checks time in the middle of the night, I would not get a $10 alarm clock that doesn't plug into the wall, because when it's battery operated, that's all you get. And then wait for it. Yeah, it doesn't last that long, and it's annoying when I'm trying to sleep and I wake up in the middle of the night and want to check the time. I don't want to have to go like this and be blinded. So I brought my old alarm clock from home. And then this little basket is just full of books and some extra garbage bags that I have from shopping. And then you can't see it, but this is my garbage right here. I need to take it out, so I'm not going to show it to you, but that's where my garbage is. And then this is the dresser that they supplied me with, and it's actually pretty roomy. The only thing I don't like about them is that the drawers are really loud. Listen. Watch. This drawer is really hard to get out, so yeah, they're just very loud, so it's really hard to get up in the morning without waking up my roommate. Also, I broke my back during my weight class this morning, so if you see me just like die and keel over, then that's why. And this is my desk space. So right here I have my cart that you've all seen before in my old house. It just has my makeup and my hair stuff. So when I'm getting ready in the morning, I get ready at my desk, so I can just wheel this over, and then once I'm done, I can just wheel it back, which is very nice. This is the little nightstand that they provided, so it is not connected to the desk. I can technically put it wherever I want, but I decided to put it right here for easy access. It has one drawer and this little cubby thing, which is really nice. It goes back really, really far. Yeah, so I have my little bookshelf, which you guys have seen at the old house, and my lamp. And this is where I keep my jewelry. This is my photo wall. I keep my pictures close to me. So yeah, these are all my textbooks. We love college. And this chair, you can't see it, but it leans back a little bit on its own. So it's kind of like a rocking chair, and it freaks me and my roommate out all the time. So the more you know. Okay, before we get to the bed, before we get to the bed, I wanted to show you what's under my bed. So underneath I have my shoe rack, which just has all my shoes in it, obviously. Look at these. Don't they look so cool? That's from the paint party that we had at school. So this one has has all of my kitchen stuff in it. So my mixing bowls, my kitchen knives, the rest of my dishes that I haven't gotten out yet, and just a bunch of other stuff. I just have all of my microwave foods, and I have my just pack and go things and my treats and stuff like that. Paper towels, garbage bags, Ziploc bags, mop, cover thingies. So that's what's in that one. I think that's it. Oh, and I have toilet paper under there. So now we move on to the main section of the room, which is my bed. So this is my bed. It's actually like super comfortable. The one thing I would recommend is getting a mattress pad, because the mattress that they give you looks like this. It's literally like air, basically. So I recommend getting a mattress pad because that makes it way more comfortable. I use the water memory foam pad, I think is what it's called. So very nice and very comfortable. If your dorm tends to get hot, like my friend's dorm, I recommend getting a fan. Mine doesn't, so I don't have anything like that. It's almost fall, and I went to Walmart yesterday and I found this. This is so cute. It's a dog toy. Do I care? No. Over here is the windowsill, so I just keep my lotions and all that fun stuff. And I have these little string lights that are super, super cute. I only turn them on at night because I'm technically not allowed to have them. Don't tell anybody I have those, but there you go. Now if you want to turn your attention to this side of the room, this is where I hang my purse on my bedpost. Dirty laundry, laundry detergent. And in these drawers, I just have my towels and linens and stuff like that, just to keep them kind of separate from my clothes so that they don't mix, you know, which is really nice. So that's basically like all of my laundry stuff and my cleaning stuff. So yeah. There's two vanities for the bathroom. One has a sink and one doesn't. There's a little bathroom with the toilet and the shower in it. And then the kitchen, there's 8 people living here, so it's kind of hard to get together to arrange cleaning schedules and stuff like that. So the kitchenette has a fridge and a sink, and that's it. And a dining table and a microwave, but there's no stove. So all we can do is microwave stuff and have cold stuff. And that's why we're required to have meal plans here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.